Why hello YouTube. It is vacuum of the month time, and as you can see, we're ready to announce the vacuum of the month. And we're going to take a look at the old vacuum of the month. But first, I want to announce a giveaway. And this giveaway is only for our Patreon supporters. And what it is I have a show bag from the VDTA show with all sorts of goodies. And we'll go on what those goodies are. And this is actually kind of cool. It's a vroom screwdriver set. Anyways, so that's going to be from the VDTA, and I'm going to ship that to anybody who is a Patreon supporter flat rate, and I'll do that at the end of the month. But we're going to have a contest on Patreon here with this. So if you're not signed up for Patreon, it's a quick way of supporting us. So definitely sign up if you want the giveaway bag. The next thing I want to announce, just real quick, for the channel, is we're going to go to a Wednesday only schedule. That seems to be when we get the most view time and when the most of you can view. I had a small poll a while ago, and the poll didn't reflect the view numbers, so we're going to go with the actual view count numbers on that. So that's just something. You'll still get vacuum of the month videos, but basically what this means is you'll probably see about 2 less videos from me a month right now. Also, by the time you see this, I will be not in the United States. I will be abroad traveling, and I'll be back probably in 2 to 3 weeks when this posts, and you'll get to see all that. So let's show you what vacuum of the month pulled up, and this was with the EBK. I've got the power head over here. That was with the EBK nozzle, EBK 360, and shoo, my, that dust is going everywhere. I should have gotten a dust mask apparently. So let's see what's in here, and we're gonna get rid of this bag because yucko. I didn't actually vacuum all that much with this. If you're not familiar with what we do and how much I vacuum, I usually try to do a good 3-4 weeks worth of vacuuming for you guys with the vacuum of the month. Now, because I am traveling abroad and I actually was at the Vegas show, that is actually only about 4 vacuumings in my house. So yeah, that filled up really fast. As we know, these old compacts lose efficiency. I have to say, the nozzle's wonderful to use. This is still one of my favorite all-around nozzles, and they just made this nozzle better if you haven't seen the video on that. Now, the next thing, let's bring it over here. In fact, let's float it on over here. Well, if you haven't seen Zero G, I saw them at the trade show, and I got to talking, and they are quite the engineer's nice dream, so I'm excited to see this and use this. I was really excited to meet the gentleman from the company. His name was Ed. Awesome guy, super cool. So he lent me this to use and gave me a whole bunch of bags to use and said, you know, go ahead, do long-term tests. So it's going to be the vacuum of the month because a manufacturer gave us this to use for that extended period of time, and I'm really grateful for that. And we are probably going to have, cross our fingers, Henry Pneumatic Head said they would send us a vacuum too. So I'm excited to do some videos on that. I'm not going to reveal which one, but hopefully that will be a vacuum of the month as well. And this thing is so heavy duty, this handle, for what it is. And if you haven't seen one of these, go check them out. I'll put an Amazon link below. The price is amazing on this thing. And it comes with a stair tool, and I've got the cord just bunched up in the corner. I'm sorry about that. So that's what the vacuum of the month is going to be. So we'll be excited to see how this does, and I'll just show you what the bag looks like right now. I did some dust test pickups with the bag, but the bag is relatively empty, so you'll get to see that fill up in this Zero G. And the 0G bags are they're silver-lined antibacterial, so it's kind of a cool thing. As well as how those bags work. They have like patents and stuff on that. So as always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and check out some of our other videos as well.